If you would have watched this video last week, you'd have learned exactly how we're using an AI agent to analyze and give us the best motivated deals from sellers on our different lists. Now, imagine having an AI agent that takes one of your videos and scan it for the best parts. Then it takes a screenshot of those parts, then create 3 email follow-up campaigns. Then it creates 3 SMS text messages campaign. Then it creates 3 Facebook posts, and last but not least, it creates a complete website based on the content that's in that video. And the best part of all, it's done with one super prompt that I'm going to give you in this video that will totally change the production that you do in your business today. As a matter of fact, it's guaranteed in this one AI prompt, super prompt that I'm going to give you, it's going to guarantee saving you at least 10 hours worth of work every week when you do this same process. Imagine what you can do with 10 extra hours to work on your business instead of working in your business. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, and I want to make sure you leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because only 25% of you guys are subscribed to the channel. I want to make sure you're getting all of this top-notch AI REI content that no one else is teaching, and I want to make sure you stay ahead of the crowd. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to take you on a journey in this video where I'm going to show you face to face exactly how you can use my super prompt to save over 10 hours of work in your business just from this one prompt. And all you have to do is watch. Okay, now that you can see, we are in our Manus IM dashboard, and this is where all the magic, or should I say all the technology, begins. We've uploaded our prompt, and it's right here on the right-hand side. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Once you put the prompt in, you hit enter, and then it's going to do its magic. You question, oh, well, Charles, what's going on? Well, first of all, it's going to YouTube to search the video that you put into the prompt. Now, what does that prompt actually say and do? Well, the prompt allows you to create what I like to call an automated marketing machine. The system is going to do the following tasks. It's going to watch and analyze any YouTube video you give it. It's going to create 10 viral titles from that YouTube video. Then it's going to create 3 email sequences with the call to action. Then it's going to create 3 short text messages along with the call to action. And then it's going to create 3 Facebook posts, and you will know it already, with the call to action. And last but not least, it's going to design a complete lead capture website, all from the video in the prompt that we gave it. Now, once you see this process in action, it's going to blow your mind. After it does that, it scrapes the video, and then it goes ahead and finds the content by taking screenshots off of it. It's pulling the value proposition. It's putting related content. It's putting marketing ideas and so on. Then it's going to also go through the rest of the content and break everything down. It's like having all these different agents going out and performing all these tasks for you. And then it's going to basically make the 10 titles. And here's a copy of the titles that it made. Then it's going to go ahead and go through the next step, which is going to make the actual emails. 3 follow-up sequence. Then it's going to go through the next step. It's going to make the text message campaign. Then it's going to go through the next step. It's going to create the actual Facebook posts for your actual business. And last but not least, it's going to design the actual coding for your website. It's actually doing all the coding for your website right in front of your eyes. Or remember, you could stop and just go get a coffee and let it do its magic in the background. And once it's done, you're going to have all of that content built right for you. Did I mention that this could easily save you up to 10 hours a week in work just by using Manus IM the autonomous AI agent for your business. Okay, once it's finished creating all the code, the next step is this. Let me show you what it looks like. Go into the actual system and you're going to see the 10 viral titles for your actual video. And these are some fantastic titles. Look at this. Be everywhere at once. The AI cloning techniques that disrupting real estate wholesaling. AI clone revolution. How the top real estate investors are cloning 3x more deals without working harder. Now that's the actual video that I put in, was a video that talked about how I clone myself. And the system created these 10 viral titles that you could use for your marketing. Then it went ahead and created 3 email sequence follow-up system. And here's the email with the call to action, taking the person to the actual video. Then it created email number 2, email number 3. It even tells you the urgency in regards to how the email subject line was created, the benefits, what the email is broken down by, and also the actual AI revolution. The sequence is killing it when it comes to conversion. It has all of the direct response traits you want in your marketing. Next, it's going to create the text messages with the call to actions in the text message and the links. You have 3 of them. Then it's going to create the Facebook posts with the call to action in each of the Facebook posts. You got 3 of them. And last but not least, and here's the key, last but not least, it's going to create a website that drives traffic to that video. And here's what the website looks like. Bam! Look at that. It does it on autopilot. You don't have to hire a copywriter anymore. You don't have to hire a landing page website designer anymore. You don't have to hire somebody to do. Can you imagine all the money you're saving just by using AI autonomous tools like Magnus IM? Man, look at this. It even has a countdown timer in it for urgency to get the person to hurry up and click on the actual button to go and watch the video. It has actual headlines, actual bulletin sections where it breaks down key points that's in that video. And it even has testimonials from people who actually watched the video and left comments and so on. All of this was created just from a prompt, which is going to be in the description below, and Magnus IM. Now, you just seen what one of my super AI prompts for AI agents can do for you. What if you had 20 of them? That's right. I'm going to give you 20 of my super AI agent prompts. All you have to do is leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know that you've done it below, and I will make sure you get 20 of my super AI agent prompts that you can use in your real estate business today. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, signing out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.